Welcome back to day 14 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to zoom the map to fit a specific subset of features in our feature layer. Zooming to fit a subset of data provides a seamless viewing experience, ensuring that your audience sees precisely what's relevant. Now, let's dive into the code. We'll start with the basic feature layer code from day 3 and our feature layer of streetlights from day 13. Since we'll be zooming to a subset, I'll set a variable called where-clause to filter my data in a specific way. For this demonstration, I'll use a street name filter of North Ohio Street. I'll need to set this filter in my feature layer to only display features with a street name of North Ohio Street. Next, I'll query the feature layer using the query where method and run it to obtain the GeoJSON properties of my filtered layer. Finally, I'll set my map's bounds to match the bounds of my filtered feature layer. When I open this up in the browser, I can see a set of places on North Ohio Street. To demonstrate this in action, I'll change the where clause to a different street, such as Washington Boulevard, and observe my map updating accordingly. Now, for today's challenge, I'd like you to incorporate a bounding box similar to what we did yesterday, but apply it specifically to this subset of data. And that concludes day 14. Tomorrow, we'll explore how to add a dynamic pie chart to our map, adding another element of visualization to our application. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.